Tell mommy what you want. What were you saying?
Cheese.
No, did you want something from mommy?
Yeah.
What do you want?
Broccoli.
Broccoli?
What?
Broccoli.
You want broccoli?
Yeah.
You want more broccoli?
Yeah.
How do you ask nice?
Please.
Say more broccoli, please.
More broccoli, please.
Do you want some more too, Ethan?
Yeah. Yes. You don't have any. What?
Lots and lots and lots of broccoli.
Lots of green stuff in that green. Hey.
You gonna count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's not 10.
You want more broccoli too, Ethan?
No.
Eat your pasta.
Yeah. All the big bites.
Is it good, Matthew?
Choo-choo.
Uh-huh. You want more?
Yes.
Yes. That's a good boy. What color is broccoli?
Green.
Green, yeah. Does it look like a tree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's green.
It's green. It's yummy.
Yeah, it looks like tree.
Looks like a tree.
Like it's
Like a
tree
tree.
tops.